Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alyssa here. This video is actually us turning my room at my mom's house into a nursery for our son because we will be giving birth at the hospital that's closer to my mom. We plan on staying there for the first week, and then we also need to set up the nursery at our condo because of course we're not staying at my mom's house. So, but we did want to look nice because, you know, it's gonna be the first grandchild in 16 years, so we know we're gonna be there a lot. Now this room hasn't been used since I was 8 years old. Well, that's a lie because I moved out when I was, I think, 18, so it hasn't been used for at least 4 or 5 years. So yeah, it really just wasn't doing it, and we wanted it to look really nice for our son. So here is what we did, what we worked on, and being 30 weeks pregnant, it was really hard. We did everything in the matter of 3 days, so because this was right before Christmas. So when we walk in, we have this huge TV. It's not going to get hit by the door because with the drawer or the stand that we have for it, it blocks the door from hitting the TV. And my husband also bought the fire stick for it as well. Over here we have the bassinet. It is where you can easily pack it up and bring it to go. But we also have one at our condo. So we're leaving this one at my mother's house, and it's just really cute. Here we have one of the swings that will be kept upstairs for the baby. So we decided to keep it in the corner. We'll be moving that garbage pail. We just didn't know where to put it yet. But this is the swing. It's adorable. It definitely matches and goes with the room. We just ordered this new bed because we used to bring an air mattress to my mom's house and it was not working out for me. Like, I'm pregnant, so we just ordered a new bed and have this comforter on it for now on, but I really do plan on switching it to get it matching with the room eventually. Here we have a lounger. I'm not really going to call it a boppy. It's more like a lounger for the baby. And we have his diaper caddy over there, because I do plan on changing him over there. We're just waiting till after the baby shower. Hopefully we get another changing pad. There's some wipes, diapers, ointments, swaddles in there. I do plan on taking that lounger, and if you guys see the breastfeeding pillow that's in the corner over there, I plan on bringing it back home to our condo because it is going to come in handy. Like I said, I'm staying the first week postpartum at my mother's, so I know I'm going to be breastfeeding and I'm going to need that pillow there at that time. Next, here we have a shelf, this huge shelf. Here are letter stencils. We still have to paint his name onto the wall. Didn't get a chance to do it, ran out of white. We plan on doing it in the middle right over there. Here we have a sample lotion, Johnson & Johnson, and some swabs for the baby. We have Giraffe over here, some pacifiers, some bottles. So just gonna bring you around. Oh, I have a water bottle behind there because, you know, I'm not trying to go up and down the stairs for a small cup, and then because the washer and dryer is downstairs, so I just have that water bottle to fill it up with Giraffe when it's time to do laundry. Here I have 2 Dr. Brown bottles. Hopefully plan on getting more. I'm sorry, I can't breathe right now. I'm so out of breath. Bottle cleaner, which I don't want to keep downstairs because I know my family is going to end up probably tossing it out in an accident. And a humidifier, like one of those essential oil thingies I have in there. I'm probably not going to use that, I'm not going to lie. This is my breast pump and the pieces. Like I said, I'm not staying here for very long, but when I do end up going back home, this is coming with me. Hoping to get, I also have the Spectra pump. I'm hoping to get another one. Because I know that, you know, I just don't want to depend on one breastfeeding pump. I want to try and keep one there and one where I'm at, or whichever one works best for me. Now, this shelf is just our personal stuff. This is the diaper bag we'll be keeping there. Here is his stroller that we are keeping here. You just put the car seat and it easily attaches. Now, this closet was literally so dirty. I cleaned the whole closet out and repainted it, and it looks so much better. I just didn't repaint that bottom section there, but we have two sitting up pillow thingies. I'm so sorry, I forgot what they're called. And we want to store the diapers in there for him, so it's less cluttery in here. I could not paint this one section because I'm just too pregnant for that, and it just was not gonna work out. So I was like, you know what, whatever, I'll just leave it. And I painted the shelves. Here we have wipey, swaddles, some receiving blankets. I think there's like bibs in there, something. I gotta get new labels. This looks tacky, but it's what I had, and I reused some boxes as well, and that's what I'm using for storage bins. We also have his white onesies down here. Those come in handy. A blanket that was my brother's when he was a baby, but we'll be using it for my son now. And those are his clothes for when he gets older. He also has some Ugg boots in there that were given to us. And yeah, so that is what is on this shelf. I'm like, I have OCD. I need to have it organized. Here we have the baby hats. That first hat with the yellow was actually mine when I was a baby, so I was like, let him use it. Then this postpartum bin, which has absolutely like 2 pads in it, I have to stack up on that after the baby shower. Then is our shower bin. We have towels. We need more, like, I don't really want to use Johnson & Johnson. I want to use more Aveeno. I have a Cetaphil sample in there, but it's what we have for now. There's some washcloths in the corner over there, so it's, you know, it's gonna have to work. My mom used Johnson & Johnson for us and we were fine, but you know, I do want to have Aveeno for him. Now, this is one of those baby car seat, keeps the baby warm. I don't know what it's called. And there's some extra paint back there. Top shelf, oh yeah, I got paint all over myself. Top shelf is all newborn clothes, and yes, it is safe for me to paint. I did ask my doctor. People have different opinions on it, but I am still perfectly fine and alive, and so is my baby. So, in case you're wondering. Also, please excuse my nails. I have not gotten them done because third trimester, I've just been sleeping. Ignore the beige on the light switch cover. We're getting a white cover for it, and that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for the second nursery tour at our condo.